Hello people. So this is the typewriter. I took the cover off. It was pretty hard to get in one piece. Doesn't matter, I want to put it back when we're done. That is the carriage from a printer, and I decided the simplest way to mount it would be on top here and have stuff pressed down through those holes onto these levers here. And because there are no, I don't know if you can see it, there are no really solid screws on the side where I can put stuff on it, I decided that I am going to take a plexiglass sheet, bend it at 90 degrees so that it goes up to about here on both sides, then cut a groove in it similar to this one so that it can stay on top of this groove here. Put a horizontal piece of plexiglass or wood or something on top, and then bolt the carriage on top of it. For that, I need someone to cut a piece of plexiglass about yay high. Measurements will be taken in a straight strip, which I am going to bend like that and like that by heating the corners, and I am probably going to Dremel the edge so that it fits properly, but I need both edges of the plexiglass to be really straight, both the bottom one and the top one, so that it fits well on this case and so that I can put a level surface on top. And I really don't have the tools to make such straight cuts, so any help is appreciated.